Hello, my name is Liza. Today I'm going to share with you my process for making this little candle stand. I get asked quite often when people see my item sitting on the copper one, so I thought I would show you one that I did using this silver 3-wick candle lid. You're going to need one of the skeleton heads that are on its own little stand. Then we're going to just take the head off. It pops right off, so it's very easy. And I'm going to probably use the head in another project. Next, we have to take off the stem that's on the top. And I used my fuse tool to soften the plastic, and then I used this knife from like the 1970s because it cut through everything, and I cut it off. Then my previous one that I used a empty washi tape roll. This time I used the Deco Mesh tube, and I just cut a piece off of it, a small piece. But make sure you do it straight, otherwise you'll end up with a crooked stand. Once it's all cut down, you're going to take your candle holder, your pedestal, and your cardboard and spray paint them. I did metallic silver because the candle lid is silver. Then with some Gorilla Hot Glue, I first glued the cardboard tubing onto the underside of the lid, and I used the flat side, not the cut side, because that guaranteed at least that would be straight. And then once that was secure, then I took my pedestal base and I added hot glue to the base, and then added that to the ring that we had cut off. Here's what my Delft pumpkin looked like on the copper base. So I thought because it had silver aluminum foil, I would make the silver one, and this is my finished project. It's very simple, but since I was asked a few times, I thought I would share, and I had to make one anyway. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I'd love your comments, and if you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did. I'll be back again soon. Thank you. Take care.